how to make money on Upwork as an Instagram caption writer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the get started button, and here make sure to join as a freelancer. Then click on apply as a freelancer. Then you proceed to fill in the usual information, first name, last name, email, and so on. Then click on create my account. And for me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to log in with my email. Then click on continue with email. And then I'm going to enter my password. Click on login. And after that, I'm going to proceed to creating my profile. So here, this is the last step of creating the profile. So let's go back, start from the beginning. And here, let's go back. So this is the first step of creating the profile. And here, let's click on get started. Then we proceed to answering these questions. Have you freelanced before? We have 3 answers to go with. Let's choose the one that fits you amongst them. Then click on next. And then you do the same with this other question. What's your biggest goal for freelancing? Choose one of these answers. And then for the last question, how would you like to work? Choose all of these answers. All of them are important. Then click on next to create a profile. So here, how would you like to tell us about yourself? You have 3 options to choose from. You can either import your information from LinkedIn, or you can upload your resume if you have it in your desktop in a file, or if you want to fill it out manually, it will take less than 5 minutes. So let's go with filling it out manually. Start a new profile, and then enter your skill in here, Instagram caption writer. Then click on next to add your experience. If you have relevant work experience, add it here. Click on the plus button again, and then you add your work experience in here. For example, software engineer in Microsoft in London, and the other information. And then you proceed to add in your education history. You will do the same like the work experience. Add your school, degree, field of study, and the other information. After that, you proceed to add in the languages. So here, English is a must. You cannot work in the platform without knowing how to write or how to speak in English. And here you choose your level in the language, and my level in English is conversational. Then click on add a language to add more languages. I'm going to add 2 more languages: Arabic, which is my native language, and French, which is a language that I studied in school. French. And I'm going to choose my level in Arabic, it's native, and in French it's basic. Then click on next to add your skills. So here, make sure to enter your skills in here. They've already suggested some skills for us based on our previous answers. You have Instagram stories, subtitles, caption. You can add maximum 15 skills, so there is enough room for other skills. Then click on next to write an overview, and here write a bio to tell the world about yourself. And this is an example of a bio: a small text and some bullet points. So guys, in order to enter a good bio for your profile, just go to ChatGPT and enter, I'm an Instagram caption writer, give me a bio for my Upwork profile, and you will get a very decent bio. You will just need to add some personal information about you, and then make some adjustments to it and verify it, then copy and paste it. For me, I'm going to use Marty's bio, because going to ChatGPT will make the video very long, and if the video is long, you will get bored. So then click on next to choose your categories, and here you can search for a service, or you can just choose the suggested one, which is content writing. Then click on next to set your rate. So here I'm going to go with $20 per hour. Click on next to add your photo and location. Here fill the location information and your date of birth, and then upload your photo. So here you can show clients, you need to show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed, so keep that in mind, guys. And after that, click on review your profile, and when you're done with creating your profile, I'm going to show you how you can improve this profile of yours. So here I'm going to log out to go back to the main page, and the idea is that we're going to look for the people that are doing the same skill like ours, our competitors, and we're going to search for the highest earner amongst them. Then we're going to spy on his profile, see what is he doing differently than us. And so here I'm going to search for the highest earner in this category. So here we have more than 30 grand. Here we have more than 10 grand, more than 50. Let's search more than 100 grand, and he gets paid $6, $6.50 per hour. More than 30 grand. This man has done a lot of jobs and he has worked a lot of hours, but he was getting paid less money than this man. But he's still the highest earner that we found. But no, there is another highest earner, which is this one, Kimberly. She gets $45 per hour and she earned $50,000. 50 grand. She earned more than 50 grand. But no, this one earned 100 grand. So this is our highest earner. So we're going to see his profile, see his bio, how is he describing his skill, and we're going to implement that to our profile. And guys, in order to find more work in this platform, go to find work, click on find work for your skills, and here enter your skill in this search box, and you will see all of the listed jobs that are looking for skill like yours. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.